Hi, it's Amanda here, Creative Gardener. So it's going to be a short video today. So we are going to look at a few young plants that I've managed to start growing again. And what I'll do is show you how you need to take care of them so that they can reach maturity. Okay, let us go. Okay, so here they are. And these are Pride of Barbados. So I've got this container and I've got that container. Now in my previous video I would have shown you like a load of plants that I'd managed to, the seeds that had germinated. Sorry, that was cold there. And what had happened is I'd put them out and every single plant bar one was eaten. And so I couldn't do another video of their growth or whatever. Somebody asked me about doing a, from germination, I don't know, like one of these, not stop motion, but where you see the fast forward, and it's just like, I ain't got time for that. I'm growing and sharing and growing stuff on a budget, so I'm just sharing with you the things that I'm growing. And all these special effects, it's just like it takes enough to be able to plant the stuff, watch it grow, guard it from definitely guard it from the what do you call it, the slugs and the snails. Yeah, that's been taken up all the time. But what I want to show you is the one actually that survived. And what you'll be able to see, you may be able to see some of the flowers, but you see some of the seeds, new seeds emerging. Now, I didn't manage to, I can't find, I had a whole tray of different coloured flowers. The flowers that I've got at the moment are yellow. So let's go and see the one that's actually grown full size. Okay, here we are. This is the one that's kind of grown full size. Now, I was just looking for to see whether any flowers were coming out, and no flowers are coming out as yet. Oh, yes, there is. Oh, so you're lucky. Right, it's probably about, I'm 5'8", so it's probably about 7-8 feet, and you can see up there the flowers coming out. So once the flowers have opened up, and they usually look like a little, I don't know, umbrella? Really? No, it's not umbrella. Anyway, so when they come out, what then comes out after them? The seed pods. So this is the cycle. You're seeing the cycle here from the young germinated growing seedlings. And yeah, so each of the flowers there will turn into a pod with and it will be green to begin with, and then it will go brown, dark brown. So I'm going to take one off now. What then happens is that these are somewhat prepared earlier. It's been raining last night, so what then happens is you have to wait until they have to dry out, I guess, and you have to wait until they split. So I put in here a load of them, and they've been splitting. So the seeds, yeah, because it rained last night, it's got a lot of water in here and a fly. So I'll drain out the water, but you can see the seeds in there. So they're potentially more flowers, more plants to grow. So what I want to do is grow them as a kind of hedge, but I need to protect them from the slugs and the snails. So I've been using this, it's a slug bait called, its main ingredient is iron phosphorus, and what it does is they eat it and then they don't want to eat anymore and they starve and die. But you have to protect, this is one of their favourite plants, the Pride of Barbados is one of their favourite plants to eat. So that's it, that's what I wanted to show you. So yeah, where you can protect them, make sure you protect them. This is from the seeds to the seedlings, to the final plant. And I've just allowed it to grow. I've cut it back a bit. It would have grown a lot more kind of out than this, but you can train it to what, you know, how you want it to grow. So I hope that's been useful, more useful than the last one. I've got moringa behind there. And yeah, let me see your plants and let me see the varieties that you have. But yeah, I do like the yellow variety very much, but we'll try and grow some others. So take care for now, and I'll see you soon.